I just bought this Tesla and I'm gonna try to trade it for a different car at a stoplight.
How's it going?
Yeah.
Are you interested in trading your car for this Tesla? Nope, let's switch. It's literally a red light. We gotta hurry. You got that car.
Oh my God.
Okay.
You wanna get in?
Yeah.
Here, hop in. Hey, come here, see your car.
Are you sure?
I can't believe she just gave me her car.
You traded her car.
Yes. How do
Oh,
I
it's a green
go?
light. Put your foot on the pedal.
Oh God, this car doesn't even have a mirror.
What do you think of your new car?
I feel blessed. I love it. It's something good forever.
Stop, sir, stay up. I'm glad she got a Tesla. What do you think of your new car?
I want to have fun.
Have you ever seen the YouTube channel Mr. Beast?
No, I haven't.
Even though you have no idea who I am, you just traded cars with me.